Alright, y'all, I'm about to slide the black gold. I see y'all there.
The police finna come, and then they finna say that camera is a gun, and then we finna get shot.
Man, that do sound right though. That sound about right.
It's fine as fuck.
You don't want me to see greatness. I don't want to religious love. I don't want to shake your hand at all.
So I just got here, but they didn't have all this out here last year. They got a little mini fair out here.
Let's go on that.
On the airplane?
Oh, damn, it's hot.
Bro, I don't even know. It's probably just for kids.
I think it's just for kids.
That's gay. I want to get on something.
Huh?
I want to get on them swings.
Them swings?
Yeah,
They're so
right there.
low.
They been moving, bro.
Let me record you. You a big ass kid.
Do it, do it, do it. I feel like it's gonna stop soon.
They think we some big ass kids.
Yeah.
The police just stopped at the gate. You can do that country shit now.
I know. I should have had the hat and a little cowboy. What the hell?
Yay!
It should have went fast. But you know what, kids on you.
What they doing there?
Oh no, it's just a little thing, man. They don't do nothing in there. Let me go over here to get there. Center of the earth, man. I'm in the center of the earth right now.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. And I'm clean. She's scared to walk up here.
Bro, look at that.
This ain't nothing to be scared of. Man, that helicopter ride too much. absolutely nice. The view is amazing from here.
Oh, you're recording?
Yes, I am recording.
I want to sit down.
We got that little concert over there. No people over there jamming.
I'm dancing right
I'll do it for real. You already know I will.
here. Bro, I almost fell. This is clean. Look, somebody was going to heaven. Wait, I think you can see it. You see the little lights?
Yep. About to jump in the water. See that? I did that then. I got back out. That was quick. I jumped in and got out real quick.
Throw me in there.
I jumped in and got out real quick. Throw you in there. I'll throw you in there.
I know.
I ain't getting you out though.
Yes, you are.
I went crazy.
Oh! Let me get this.
No, I went crazy. That's why that truck was back there.
Bro, it took that long to take. Bro, this shit is not focusing.
Let's go on Snapchat.
Bro, my phone on 24. They are recording. But they all got quiet.
Be quiet.
Why I gotta be quiet?
Because I'm recording. I think it only lasts like 5 minutes. Not even.
Get out my picture. Look, she's sitting right on my way.
At the end, that shit gonna be lit. You'll know when it's the end.
So,
Why don't you put it on Snapchat?
huh?
Why don't you put it on Snapchat?
My phone is on 24.
Oh, it's gonna die.
Uh-huh.
My phone did. I think that's on. Oh, we got YouTube for it. Just don't get as many YouTube views as Snapchat.
Uh-huh.
What, about 10?
YouTube?
Yeah. Or these mosquitoes ain't playing.
And I'm fighting me.
Why they like me so much? You hear it so late. You hear it so late, like a second after it made noise. I guess the sound travel late. Should have been down there. Yeah. I think it's getting toward the end. It's gonna get crazy at the end. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's not like it's gonna come over here.
Getting bigger and bigger.
For real. See that one? Now we're gonna be big a little bit. Ooh. I was probably came like this too.
Mine is dark as shit. I'm gonna waste all my space.
Oh yeah.
Fuck, I didn't get that one.
I like that one. It's loud.
I like those.
What you for that? Well, I'm not ready for the end, but I'm ready for the end. Because the end, that don't be going better.
It'd be weird.
It'd be so rapid, like boom, 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 boom.
For real.
Yeah.
That's why I got my camera ready.
That end be lit. I'm gonna go to New York, Disney World. They don't be so. They don't be hard.
For real. It's going summer.
4th of July. I wish we could.
I would. I'm gonna say what you right now. It's getting to the end?
No, I can't. Nah. They probably just doing it like that so it can last longer. Because I don't think it was this long last year.
It was just on 24. I was on 13.
I mean, you gonna need to call your daddy. I just recorded on this. It's gonna be on YouTube anyways. Alright, yeah, that's the end, I think. Yeah, it gotta be the end. Yep, it's the end. That's on clean. Oh. Yo, that's the end, bro. That's on like hits on fire, bro. Nah, that can't be the end. It was way more than that. That shit. Yeah, I can't be the end because it was way more than that. Like, it was like crazy. Sound like it was in a war zone.
My thing is not focusing.
I don't think mine focused. Nah, it's clear, but not like really focused. Oh, I can't wait the 4th of July. This year I'm buying firecrackers.
Me too.
I always be broke.
Right.
Every year. Ain't broke no more. Gonna cash out on firecrackers.
My camera
I think them cost a lot.
They look like it cost a lot.
But I'm gonna go to Pokey for the fireworks.
Hell no.
I always go to Pokey for the fireworks. What you mean? That's gonna be lit.
That one's big. Damn. I'm getting scared.
Oh.
Nice.
That y'all did.
How
I did 3 of them at one time. Oh. Yeah, I think this is close to the end. Oh, that's all loud.
That's big.
No, I need to zoom out. Dang, like if it travel over there.
For real, I feel like it's coming this way. Oh, look at that. I feel like they're coming this way. Are they coming this way?
Oh, that was clean.
Oh, hell no.
They
I'm
not
move.
coming. You see they dropping way back there.
Look, they moving. I I'm about to move. That's all.
No, it wasn't this long last year. It was not this long last year.
Another one.
It was over by this year. They going out. They bought the whole lot.
They're going out.
Yeah, cause they ain't even had that Ferris wheel and all that shit. Not Ferris wheel, the little ride. They ain't had that. They ain't never had that. But the friend want a grand finale. Oh, there. That's the grand finale. Grand finale. Yeah. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my God. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Oh, dang. Yeah. I told you that last part, dude. I think that's it. Subscribe.